Welcome back, class. So let us proceed again towards your literature book, Merchant of Venice, Act 4. Though this pandemic is hitting a lot, we know that, but still the study must go on. So I hope whatever is being taught till now is like quite helpful for you. Okay, and please do ask a doubt if you have any, like what we are doing, dealing out with scene 4. So the doubts that you will have, if you clear it in that day itself, would be much more useful for both of us, right? Do not keep it pending, understood? So that is my like humble request to each one of you, understood? Okay, let us proceed towards Act 3, Scene 4. We have already completed then Scene 3. What happens? Now already Antonio is being hit with a bankruptcy. That means his ships are wrecked, and desperately who is being behind this Antonio is Shylock, and so he is now bound to write a letter to Bassanio, who is already into Belmont and has already won Portia. Okay, and he is also even considered to be the husband of Portia now. But the letter that he has written is just not just to ask a help or to return the money and come back and save him. The only request what Antonio wants to make at the end of his life is wants to see Bassanio, his dear friend, at the last moment of his where he is about to end of his life. Okay, because he is continuously begging, even he asked a lot to to listen him once to Shylock, but Shylock is so much adamant, he doesn't want to hear. The only one what he wants is to take revenge. That means through the pound of flesh. Even he doesn't want to get the triple of the sum that he has given, 3,000 ducats. He is very much stick to what he wants. That means the pound of flesh. He wants to fulfill all his grudges that he had been having through for him against Antonio. Okay, so yeah, and along with the letter, Salario, who is coming here with him is Lorenzo. Lorenzo is that a Christian who had already fled with he had already eloped with Shylock's daughter Jessica. So they both are also there to Belmont. Okay, now Madam and Balthazar. Balthazar is the servant, okay, of Portia. The speakers, there are many speakers here, but the main speaker is Lorenzo and this Portia. Okay, so Lorenzo, Jessica and Balthazar, there are characters who are present in that scene. Okay, Lorenzo, Madam, although I'm it might be sounding a little bit weird that I am praising you in front of you, that would make you to feel that I am flattering you, but it's not, understood? I speak what is correct. So what he says is, it sounds like quite flattery that I am saying you in front, but I will tell you all correct. The noble idea of the divine friendship. Okay, that means divine friendship, that means was supported by whom? Here the friendship of Antonio and Bassanio is mostly supported by Portia, because recently Portia got engaged with Bassanio, but after even hearing, they don't Portia doesn't know anything about the story about the friendship of Bassanio and Antonio, but she is the one who is so supportive, a very supportive wife who is telling, okay, I will you please go and help your friend, understood? He is much more in need rather than being with me, right? There and then the moment when they got married, understood? Minutes after he left to Venice to help his friend. Okay, and then what happens? See, but if we knew the man whom you thus honor, that means who is that man? Antonio. Okay, how a true gentleman and what a dear friend of your husband he is. I can tell you that you will be much more feel proud of your action than your ordinary acts of kindness. So that is just a mere act of kindness that you did for Antonio. But once when you will hear what kind of man, what a kind of gentleman he is, I think the decision that you have taken, you will feel much more prouder of what you have done. Understood? That means your husband's dear friend means a world for him. Understood? And you have saved his world. I think he will be much more in love with you because you have really understood him. Okay. Portia is saying, I am never sorry for doing an act of charity. See, first and foremost, Portia is a very, very holy person. Understood? Who has never ever done any wrong for anyone. Understood? So just that suitors was just her opinion, right? So what? She is telling that I never regret for doing any kind of act of charity, nor I should be sorry for it anyhow. That was generosity that came from my heart, and I never apologize or I never regret for doing that. Okay. Friends that talk together and spend time in each other's company in love equally must have a similarity in appearance, manners and mentality. Yes. See, friends doesn't mean that friends in need are a friend indeed. This line is very well known, very well understood by Portia. And thus this makes things that Antonio, being the most intimate friend of my husband, make necessarily to help. That means the face, he had a lot of glow when he got Portia, but all of a sudden by reading that letter only the smile, everything vanished. So that means Portia understood that how much Antonio means for his lord, okay, Bassanio. That's why she is very protective. And if we think, little man, I am spending on saving my hellish misery a person who resembles my soul. This sounds very much like self-praise, she is saying. And if I would not support at that moment, I think I would be the hellish person. That means I would be equal to a monster or a demon on earth. Therefore, I shall speak no more about it. And she is saying, I think that quite counts that I am self-praising. But it's not that. See, I have been doing what I think is correct. And this is also the part of it. I shall talk of other matters. Anyways, let us not talk about this. Whatever is being done is done. Understood? Let us talk about anything other else. Okay, Lorenzo, I place your hands the care and management of the house until my husband comes back. Okay. Now what she is doing is, Portia is telling, okay, Lorenzo, I am giving you a very big responsibility. That is to look after my house, look after the entire thing what you see out here. Okay, until my husband comes back. As for myself, I have taken a vow, and I shall spend the time in prayer and meditation attended by Nerissa alone till our husbands come back. Because I have decided to attend a vow, pilgrimage. I have decided that I will enter a kind of gufa. Okay. So I will stay there until my husband comes back. Because I have to stay a life of a virgin. Though I am not now. Okay. So she is telling that. So please look after my house. I would not be here in Belmont. Okay, there is a convenient distance of 2 miles from here. We will stay. Okay, from 2 miles after this place, I will be staying. That means I won't be here in Belmont. Okay. So I request you not to refuse the task which I bestow on you out of compulsion as well as my regard for you. I really request you, as well as this is compulsion, that you will not tell this to anybody, not even to my husband. Okay. Not reveal out that I am not here. Okay, then Lorenza is saying, I really respect and most gladly I will also obey what you have said, honorable commands. That means I will take it as a command, not to tell this to anyone. Okay, Portia is telling, okay, my servants has already know my intention and will regard you and Jessica as their master and mistress in the absence of Bassanio and myself. So, I have already told my attendants, my servants, that in place of me and my Bassanio will be Lorenzo and Jessica. So everything they will also follow you. Okay. Anyway, goodbye till we meet again. Lorenzo, may you have happy thoughts and a joyful time. And he is also wishing back, right? Okay. I wish that you may have all you desire. Jessica is telling. Okay. Really, you are such a holy lady. You have to get whatever you demand for, whatever you desire for. Portia, many thanks for your good wishes, and I am glad that I also wish the same happiness to you. Anyways, goodbye Jessica. Then Jessica and Lorenzo they are going out. Okay. And now Balthazar is coming and to be honest and faithful. Understood? He is the most faithful and honest person for Portia. I expect you to be even now. Take this letter and go fast as possible to Padua. Okay, so Balthazar is being sent to Padua by Portia, and then hand over this letter to my dear cousin Dr. Bellario, and also bring whatever messages and dresses he may give you. There is a letter that is for my cousin, that is Dr. Bellario. He is the lawyer. Okay, so and whatever reply you get, please be very fast. Okay, haste now. And don't spend any as fast as possible in the public ferry boat which plies between this place and Venice. Okay, and you reach there in that ferry boat which reaches to Belmont. Okay, that means don't come back here. We will meet there. Okay, don't spend any time in talking. Leave at once. I will not be ferry before you. Okay, anyways, we will not talk further. This is the main work. Everything depends on you, your speed. So please leave now. Balthazar, madam, I will go and come quickly as possible. He is also very, we can see, no, he is very much loyal. Portia, okay, come on, Nerissa, I have some plan in my mind. Okay, you will know nothing yet. We will see our husbands before you can dream of it. Then Portia is telling, I think you are quite confused, but your confusion will be very much clear. While going and while traveling, I will be telling you everything. Okay, then Nerissa, they will see us also. Then what do you think? That means we will see our husband, fine, but will our husband also see us? Portia, yes, they will. In such a dress that they will not be able to figure out who are we. Understood? So this is being also said by Portia. In fact, we have not. Okay, I bet that when they dressed, and Portia is also telling that when we'll be dressing in that attire, no, they will not be able to understand who are we, whether we are their wives. There will be no such clues. Okay, and we will look the most handsome of the two. I shall wear my dagger more finely and speak with a thin and a shrill voice of lad praising from boyhood to manhood. That means I will be wearing a dagger. That means a kind of a very boyish person. Okay, like a real hero, like a macho man. Okay, I will be looking like that. I will be giving my best appearance, not like a woman. I will be dressed up like a man as well as with my presence also. That means there will be no clues that will make me feel that I am a woman. Okay. Then I shall change my feminine and assistant manner of walking into a bold gait of a man. That means I will not be walking like a lady also. I will be walking like a man. That means you already know how a man walks. Okay. Then love, and what he will be talking about? He will be talking about ladies to win my love and being refused, fall sick and died. See, he will talk all those things. That means very flattery he will be. I would not help disappoint them and add them, I am sorry I am cause of their death. And he will also say, if the ladies died because of not getting him, no, he would say, I am really sorry, okay, for your death. He would only say this. That was a very confident boy. Understood? By his even talks also, nobody can predict, yes, this is a man or a woman or something else, no? Little bit of clue, no such clues. Okay. I shall take a large number of pretty lies so that a man will be convinced that I am a young man who left school more than a year ago. There will be so many lies that that means no clues at all. Okay. I would like to put a practice now. Okay, let us go and practice. I shall disclose my whole plan to you when we are in the coach, when we are waiting for us in the garden gate. Okay, let us therefore make haste. Come on, fast, for we have to cover at least 20 miles today. That means we have to go, though he said only 2 miles to Lorenzo, but they are actually going to Venice. Okay, so this is what happens in Act 3, Scene 4. A very interesting scene is coming, that is the court scene. Okay, so children, what you will do is please revise along with the lines. I have not yet learned with the lines, I am just giving out the summary, but these are the explanations that will help you a lot. So, but what you will do is, you will just open your textbook, dramas, as well as go line wise and then also listen to what I have already taught you. Fine? Thank you so much.